Starting a home-based woodworking business can be an enjoyable one. It can also be profitable if you choose a proven woodworking plan to guide you. This plan should provide you with all the information you need to successfully start your business. This plan should include information on purchasing the correct woodworking power tools. You will likely be starting your woodworking business on a limited budget, so getting the most value for your dollar will be important. Selecting the best tools to start your business will require a little research. You want to be sure you choose the ones that will be most useful. The tools you select should help you build your various woodworking projects in a timely and cost-effective manner. Some of the woodworking power tools you should consider buying are the power drill, handheld circular saw, and random orbital sander. There are many manufacturers to choose from and will usually have a choice between the cordless or corded version. The corded version will be cheaper but will not offer the mobility the cordless version will. The power drill is very useful woodworking tool to have around. It will allow you to easily make holes in a number different materials such as natural woods, man-made boards, metals, masonry, brick and stone. Although the corded model will be cheaper, the cordless model will give you more mobility. Batteries are usually one of two types, NiCad or lithium-ion. Purchasing a handheld circular saw will be a lot cheaper than buying a table saw. Although it is not as accurate, the handheld circular saw can be almost as accurate. Using it with a C-clamp and some sort wood guide will allow you cut straight lines almost as easily as with a table saw. The random orbital sander or sheet sander as part of your woodworking tool kit will save you a lot work in the sanding department. Although the orbital sander will be more expensive to purchase than the sheet sander, it tends to leave fewer marks on the surface of the wood. This because it uses sanding discs and doesn't sand in patterns. If you choose to go with the sheet sander, you can reduce the risk of marking the surface of the wood by using proper sanding techniques. Start sanding with coarse sandpaper and then finish with a finer grade. These woodworking tools will help you finish your woodworking projects in an efficient manner, but they must be used properly and safely. Always read the owner's manual and follow all safety guidelines. If you are new to using these tools, have somebody who is qualified show you how to operate them correctly and safely. Injuring yourself with these tools can be very serious, and it only needs to happen once.